Once again, this is Teacher Yan. Welcome to our class. Our topic is still on the subject-verb agreement on rule number 1. Again, rule number 1 states a singular subject. We have to use singular verb in a sentence. A singular subject, therefore, we're going to use singular verb in a sentence. In this given example, there is something different from the previous example that we had discussed. Like, say for instance, right here, John writes a letter. John writes a letter. First, we're going to identify the subject. John is our subject, and John is a singular in number. Our verb is an action verb, writes. 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 This is an is form of the verb since we add s to the original verb, it is write. Why? Something different because according to uh, the other rule that John is our subject, singular, therefore we're going to use is form of the verb. Take note, if our subject is singular, we are going to use or add s to our verb. This become writes. The original verb is write without s. Here we add s because our subject is singular. Take note, if our subject is singular, we are going to use is form of the verb. This become writes. So the sentence is, John writes a letter. That's all for this moment. I hope you have learned something from me. Once again, this is Teacher Yan. Bye-bye.